Meet our stunning one-owner 2014 Jetta SE sedan, which is brought to you in an attractive reflex silver metallic. Under the hood of this Jetta is a spirited and advanced 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine that offers 170 horsepower on demand and an impressive 36 miles per gallon, proving that fun doesn't have to cost you at the pump. This front-wheel drive power is harnessed with a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic that adds a sports car feel to a sedan. Safety features on this machine are amazing. 6 airbags, intelligent crash response system, ABS with electronic stability control help prevent oversteer or understeer during panic moves. For more information on this vehicle or to schedule a test drive, please call Tynan's Volkswagen at 888-603-9899. Tynan's has been family-owned and operated for over 50 years. We are one of Colorado's largest used car dealers and have one of Colorado's largest selections. We continue to be a nationwide leader in customer satisfaction and will meet or beat anyone's price. So what's stopping you? Come by today on Havana in Aurora under Denver's largest American flag.